So first things first, let's go Demeter right out the gate. I think Demeter is one of the strongest boons to buff in the early game. It's also amazing on the attack. Should we level it up just to try it out? It seems like a fun one. Let's try it. Yeah? Let's try it. We can go for a dash, auto attack, build. Yeah, why not?
Grant me the aspect of Hestia. What just happened?
That's pretty solid.
Looking good.
4 heat. I would say primarily we can do Jury Summons and Extreme Measures 2. That seems solid there.
Again.
Okay. All right, let's go. Daedalus, right out the gate. Give it to me. Yes! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! Wow! And Rocket Bomb. Hell yeah! All right, guys.
Let's fire it up. I'm empty. Not now.
Boom. Triple bomb? Wait, triple bomb? Wait. Explosive fire is pretty good too. Oh my god. Oh. Triple bomb here might be insane. But I don't know how much of an area explosive fire is. And it is faded. Yeah, triple bomb with rockets is nuts. Yeah, let's take it. That is so gross! The amount of damage. Guys, this is... Triple bomb is insane with this. You were right. Alright. Here we go.
You! No matter how you try, you cannot shake the bond we share, monster.
Minotaur's down. And now he's just dead. Yep. Omae mo shinderu.
Time to deliver the goods.
Alright. And now let's get Poseidon. And what was this faded duo that we weren't gonna get? Blizzard shot here. I called the Daedalus Hammer. I'm gonna call this the first boon and the last boon. And your next boon shall be...
Let me just say, nephew, that money-hoarding boatman best be fair with
Oh.
him, because I'd hate to see
Damn
him
it.
having that little boat of his.
Well, that was worth a shot. Whoa, wait a minute! We actually got stuff that might even be better. Wait, wave pounding on our special and our cast? Just 30% damage to those against Hades. Is that actually just busted though? Because Razor Shoals is strong. I think we're taking wave pounding, yeah?
Phew, felt that. I owe you one, boy.
Yeah, Daddy has no idea the pounding that's coming for him.
I see it's time again that we begin our bloody business here.
Yep. Here it comes, the ranged spam. Oh no, I died.
Blast you.
Bye-bye. Oh, right, companions. I was supposed to use those, weren't I? Wasn't I? Yeah.
Students of Achilles.
Uh,
I fear that you surpassed even his skill by now.
yeah. I guess I didn't need them.
Blast.
There. Baby.
Father's name.
Boom. Here we go.
Hey, Meg, you're off duty, aren't you? Look, I was just hoping you might want to split this with me. Best if I could find out there, and I would give it all to you. It's just, maybe you wouldn't mind some company from me.
You sound a little tongue-tied. Just like you always used to around me.
You like it?
You're not exactly easy to approach, you know. So, how about it then? Care for a drink with me?
Open it up and we can go from there.
Okay. We're in, y'all. We're in. All right, we stayed in the lounge.
The look on your face. You act a lot more confidently now. Though I think deep down you're
Wait.
still an inexperienced little god. Like
Wait.
you used to be.
Oh! Just because we ended up in the lounge doesn't mean we stayed in the lounge. Oh, there we go. There we go. You should have seen the look on your face. You act a lot more confidently now, though I think deep down you're still that inexperienced little godling that you used to be. Ah!
And I think deep down you're not the heartless harbinger of retribution that you want for everyone to think you are.
Yeah, true.
But I can keep your secret if you're willing to keep mine. What do you say?
That sounds an awful lot like blackmail, Zagreus. You'd stoop to that with me.
No, I was just not what I meant at all.
I just want to see you squirm.
Oh.
Thanks for the company and for the drink. Guess I'll be seeing you around.
Okay, be seeing you.
Thanks.
Bond forged. Bow time.
Forge created you.
Aspect of Rama is really good. Okay, then let's keep driving Artemis through so that we can get that conversation to go. And Artemis is insane with the with this one here, especially if it's on our attack. And this is one of my favorite combos: Jury Summons and Extreme Measures. But if we were to add one more, I actually want to do Jury Summons too. Yeah, Jury Summons too. There we go. Let's go.
My choice is made.
Yikes! This is again. This is a bit panicky. All right. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Ready. They know our victory is certain here. Delta strike. Show him.
And he's down. There we go. Finally. Theseus is so annoying if he gets a spread that doesn't have a pattern. It's just erratic. Because then you can't sit and just fire off one of your charged attacks. Yeah. Coward. He says I'm the coward, and then he uses invisibility. We're bantering on about, like, the look of chambers now.
Let's see you deal with this. Now, this. I can't.
GG. No deaths. No deaths.
You bested me. I'll grant you Zagreus.
Oh, we didn't get to test the companion. Oh. I don't know what to say.
See you
So weird.
at home.
Oh my god. All right. Nice run. Ooh, Then talking to his brother. Okay.
Well, how often do you consult these lists you make? If you're spending too much time just making lists, you're not leaving time to get anything done.
Oh.
Oh, I love making my lists. I always illustrate the edges. Each one is unique. That way, anyone who gets to review the work, it's a whole experience, you know? But I guess it does take up a lot of time.
So Then is basically stepping in as a brother and be like, dude, you got to shape up, man. Your work's starting to slack. And Hypnos is the kind of guy that, like, just makes lists, but doesn't actually do anything on the list.
You'll have to work around the constraints of your responsibilities.
Oh my god.
You do take breaks, don't you? Before and after each break, maybe that's a time to make sure your own list of priorities is up to date.
Wait, my own list of priorities? But you're saying I could just go and make a list for me?
Oh, wow.
Oh. Whoa.
If that'll be all.
Then is like, and I'm out.
Hey, mate. What do you say we share this over in the lounge?
Oh, drink with Orpheus.
Oh, certainly, why, I don't see why not. I mean, it's not as though I've got something to do that isn't that. And anyways, I oughtn't have looked back. I mean, the moral of the story is to not look back when you are told not to look back. You understand, don't you, my friend?
Oh.
Don't look back, huh? I'll try not to. Though you can't be blamed for doing it yourself just the one time. What happened to you, it wasn't fair, if you ask me.
Oh. Good time with Orpheus.
I quite enjoyed our outing, Zagreus. So I suppose I shall be seeing you around.
Of course.
Take care, mate.
May you emerge from all of this unscathed, my friend.
Thank you.
You are returned.
Mm-hmm. Indeed. At this point, yeah, I'll give
By the way,
I'll give an ambrosia.
I meant to tell you, child. The ambrosia that you gave me, rather than hold on to it indefinitely, I decided recently to sample it. Your father's
Oh.
claims about its flavor are quite false. I have never tasted anything like it.
So glad you liked it, Nix. And good timing too, because I have for you another bottle here. They say each one is different in its own respect. And besides, the pleasures of Olympus should be shared. Please take it, won't you?
You are persuasive like your mother and determined like your father, child. But if you so insist, then I shall not deny myself the simple pleasures of this drink, though rare is the occasion for it here.
That's quite all right.
Yeah.
It never spoils, and you have all the time in the world.
Yep.
Nix, you don't suppose Charon would hold it against me if...
Oh my god.
To the death, I mean.
Yeah, we have to fight him twice, too.
None of Charon's brothers ever dared fight with him whilst growing up.
Why would you?
Ruinous idea, child.
What are you, stupid kid? Why would you do that?
Kind of already happened. And I can confirm he's rather strong. Something I can do to make it up to him.
Probably not, for it is unnecessary. Likely he appreciates having an adversary in his own way. Few would so much as dare.
Friendly rivalry it is, then.
All right. Cool. She in the garden?
Excellent
Yeah.
work, my son.
Hello.
All the pomegranates around here, those are your doing.
Not a lot of fruit trees take to this environment, my son. Though there's something about pomegranates. Maybe it's that their seeds so resemble the gemstones your father liked so much. Or that they don't need much water.
Fruit trees, huh? I grew up around all these palms and never thought much of it. Are there many other types of fruit trees on the surface, then?
Yes.
Well, I suppose there are a few. But I like pomegranates most of all.
I like them too.
All right. So this place is starting to fill out little by little. Okay, guys.
I need to trouble you for something, Zag.
Oh, Meg. Hey.
What a
Yeah.
surprise. Again. What is it? What's the matter? Wait, why are you looking at me like that?
Oh, she's just going to be like, get in the bed.
Shut up already.
Yep.
Come here.
You really... Oh.
Oh. Oh. Well. Be with Megara. Either way, it will be okay. What we kind of are with Anne. Polly. Oh my God! Do you see her like taking her whip and like, yeah, she. We gotta go. We're in, guys. We're in.
Never ask.
Let's go.
But I'm glad you did.
Oh! Immediately. Wow.
Meg, what I'm trying to say is, are we good? Or...
You ask too many questions, Zag. But yes, I'd say we are again, for now. But if you tell another soul, I'll kill you. Understand?
Oh my God.
No, wait.
Oh my God. Not even Than, though. Oh, awkward.
He's not an idiot. He wants what's best for you. And he isn't the jealous type.
Oh.
Besides, I have a good working relationship with him, as you well know.
Okay, so are you the jealous type, Megara?
Yeah, but what about you? You're the...
Yeah.
What if I...
Yeah.
We're not mere mortals, Zag.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Another viciously because their lives are short. What do we care? If Nyx has taught me one thing, it's that the heart has no bounds. Now quit your worrying and get prepared for when we meet again out there. See you around.
See you around? Yes.
Yes! Zag! Did you guys hear that? That little just... you can almost hear him like fist pumping just in excitement, just like, yes! Oh! That was good! We're getting good! Guys! We're doing it! Guys, we're doing it! It's working! It's working! We have Zeus done, Poseidon locked, Athena done, Aphrodite we're working on. Aphrodite locked. I mean Artemis locked. Ares, we're close, but we're working on it. Dionysus, we're not really rushing it. Hermes, we're done. Demeter locked. So we gotta figure out how to unlock those. I wouldn't mind running the gun.
Bound to me, and I am your host.
And then I just Hestia again, because why not? I kind of liked Hestia. So then I need to talk Dionysus at the very least. So let's do Dionysus first. Dionysus on attack would be pretty crazy. I could go for just a conversation run and then die intentionally. Let's do that. Let's do that, actually. So we'll go for speed. So remove that and do tight deadline twice. Wait, that's too much. It's too much. Underworld Customs? Sure. Oh, wait, no, hold on. No, I can just do this. And then do something like that, sure.
No,
there we go.
Me this time.
Whoa. Attack pierces foes and deals 50% damage to armor. Spread fire. Spread fire might be really good here, right? I'll try it. I'll try it. What the hell? All right. Care. Wow! I'm just dashing to my death. Cursed run or something. Yeah.
I have a challenge for you, boy.
I do like a challenge.
Immediately failed it.
Already.
Cursed run indeed. So bad. Wait, what's this? Restore 1 health.
Oh, well.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny. Oh. Oh.
Zagreus, you must have left most of your lifeblood back the other way. I should stop this. But you look terrible.
Wow! I don't think I've ever heard any of the gods basically be like, bro, like, yikes. You might want to get that looked at. I saw Charon's shop up there.
Not had enough yet. No, wait.
Nope. Oh, it's so good. That's so good. Wow.
Nyx told me that you helped her reconnect with her parent after a long, long time.
Yeah.
That was very kind of you. She never asks for anything. But we all owe her a lot, don't we?
I think so. If not for her, I can't even imagine, really. Did Nyx ever speak to you of chaos before I was born?
Not really, no. Nyx is very private when it comes to personal matters. But she has feelings and desires, same as anybody. Well, mostly. But the point is, I know this meant a lot to her.
Yeah, it did.
Least I could do.
Oh.
So, what happened when Mother first arrived, if I may ask? Some of your residents seem to remember the Queen from before, yet the Olympians just never found out.
Yeah.
They had no jurisdiction here. No knowledge of our goings on.
Yeah, Hermes did.
Well, Hermes did perhaps, but in a very limited capacity. As far as anybody knew beyond this realm, our queen was Nyx. Ask nothing more of this.
Whoa, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
The many-headed Cerberus is busy thinking of his next savory meal.
Oh.
You don't like it when I pet your other heads, huh? No.
Oh. This is the petting head. Yes, yes.
You sure that you're all right with everything?
Oh.
I wouldn't want you to be caught up in the middle of all this. If you so much as said to call it off.
Oh.
No, Meg, no. Meg,
Oh.
come on. No, are you kidding me? I mean, I couldn't be happier about it, really. You deserve this. As long as you're happy yourself, right?
Oh.
Thank you, Dusa.
Oh.
You've been so kind. I don't quite know what to say.
Hey, now, that's my line. Look, though, I better get going, but I just want to say this is great news, all right? Thank you for telling me.
Oh.
And same to you.
Oh, that's so wholesome. Look at them getting on well with each other there. That's awesome. All right. So I think we're going to call the stream here. We're going to figure out this whole thing with the plan. And I feel like we're so close. We're so close, y'all. But, yeah.